Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrator rights. This is required to rename network adapters. Once done, plug in the Ethernet cable and disable Wi-Fi so you change the correct profile. Now open Settings or Control Panel and navigate to Network and Internet. You want to get directly to the list of adapters. Do not linger on general info screens. This avoids renaming the wrong connection. Make sure you can see the Ethernet adapter name and have at least one backup screenshot of current settings. You locate the Ethernet adapter in Network Connections. On Windows, that's Status Change Adapter Options. Once you see the adapter, right-click and select Rename. Enter a descriptive name, something concise that indicates location or purpose, for example, Office Ethernet or Lab PC. This helps with future troubleshooting and scripts that reference the adapter. After renaming, press Enter and then run ipconfig/all or refresh the adapter list to confirm the new name appears everywhere. You finish by restarting the networking stack or rebooting the PC so all services pick up the new adapter name. Once the machine is back, verify connectivity, ping the default gateway and test DNS resolution. If you used a static IP, make sure settings were preserved. If something breaks, revert to the previous name using your screenshot or rename back and restart. This often resolves registry or service bindings. If problems persist, run the network troubleshooter and check event logs for related errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.